Hi everyone. So this is the video for a small announcement about upcoming AIMTs. So let me first tell you that what we have initially planned. We have initially planned for 5 gate CSE AIMTs and 5 gate DA AIMTs, right? Which we have already delivered. So this was the schedule, initial schedule, and which we have already delivered. In fact, we have delivered 6 gate CSE AIMTs. If I consider last AIMT, AIMT5 was in 2 different sets. So considering that, we have delivered 6 gate CSE AIMTs and 5 gate DA AIMTs, right? But since there has been like few days left before we reach to the gate examination, so that's why we have enough room and we can plan for more gate CSE and gate DA AIMTs. So our plan is that we will be having the last AIMT for Gate CAC on 1st of February, and we will be having AIMT 6 for Gate DA on 31st of January, which is Saturday, right? So Gate CSE final examination or final AIMT will be on the 1st of February. And after that, there will be Gate CSE examination, which is 8th of February, right? Now, now for gate D, we have thought about it, and then we thought that okay, gate D examination is on 15th of February, and obviously on 8th we cannot have AIMT. So what we can do then? Now, depending on your interest, like we are obviously interested, but depending on your interest also, depending on students' interest also, we can plan one more AIMT, which is 11th of February, okay, depending on YouTube comments. So for gate DA, 31st should be like most probably it is final AIMT, but if there are students who wants one more AIMT, then we can definitely plan it depending on your YouTube comments on 11th of February, which is Wednesday, which is neither Saturday nor Sunday, but that's fine, right? And after that, on 15th of February, you will be having your examination. So if you want, we can have one more last AIMT on 11th of February. So this is the timeline for Gate CSE and Gate DA. Gate CSE final AIMT is on 1st of February. For Gate DA, 31st, and depending on your interest, 11th of February. Interest means YouTube comments, because that's how we get to know the interest. Now, AIMT 5 for Gate DA is currently running, which was initially planned for 24th of January and which is still alive. But since there is no examination tomorrow, which is 25th of January on Sunday, there is no examination, there is no Gate CSE AIMT. So that's why we have extended this date for 2 days. So we are having it live today, and then tomorrow also we will be having the live. The same test will be live for both of the days, Saturday and Sunday, the entire day. Okay, it will be live entire day, Saturday and Sunday. So you can attempt it tomorrow also if you have not attempted it yet. Okay, depend, if you have attempted, then you will not be able to attempt it tomorrow, right? So this is our plan for Gate CSE and Gate DA. Now I would like to thank all the aspirants who have appeared in our AIMTs, and in particularly in last AIMT for Gate CSE there has been more than 5,000. It was very near to 5,500 live participants. So thank you everyone for trust in goclasses. It really means a lot. For Gate CSE, these has been the numbers, which is like close to 4,000 in almost all the AMTs. But last AMT was very fulfilling. Considering both the sets, and last AMT we had 2 sets. Considering both the sets, we had 5,500 live participants. For Gate DA, the number was very close to 1,000, which was really amazing, because in Gate DA, number of the participants are definitely lesser than Gate CSE. So that's why this number is really good. For Gate DA, 1,000 is also very, very good number. So thank you everyone for trusting goclasses and appearing in such a large number. Thank you everyone. Just a last reminder that this is our final dates. For Gate DA, we will be having 31st, for Gate CSE 1st of February, but depending on your interest, we can have one more, which is 11th of February also. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for participating in our AMTs.